Okay, so I think I am on air now. So today I'm going to talk about percentile. Actually, it is a percentiles value. Okay, so in most cases, percentile value is denoted by pk. This is percentile value, and the index here it is k. It is normally called percentile or percentile order or rank. Okay, so suppose you have a univariate distribution like this. We have here we have 10 values, 10, 10, 10, 10, 5 times. We have 50 values. N is equal to 50. So now here I'm going to talk about a new way or an easy method to calculate the percentile values and the percentile rank or order, or in short, just percentile. And what is percentile? So percentile, it is a proportion or a fraction, a number which divides all given data, like here 50, into, for example, car values. You have a proportion like car values, so such that some car percentage of the population lies below it, and like another 1 minus k percent values above it. It means that here we situate here percentile value dividing all data in two parts. Here we have k percent and 1 minus k percent on the other side, for example. Okay, so of course, if we talk about k here, so k, you might add not 1, just 100 minus k. 100 minus k. Suppose we have 100 values, so k value here and 1 minus k values on the other side. That is what is called percentile value. Now, so suppose we want to find like pk with k equal to, we want to find pk equal to like 15. This is one. The second one, we want to find the pk66, for example, and we want to find, we are going to calculate these values. So the first one, this is a number among these which we redivide all data into 15 data below it and 85 above it. The second case is we are going to divide this percentile value. We divide all data here into values such that 66% are below it, and 100 minus 66 is like 34 data above it. So that will be the percentile values that you are going to or calculate in this video by using our new method. Okay, so starting with every time you are going to calculate the percentile value. So in this case, what are you going to do first? At the beginning, we have to rank these values. So according to their values from the lowest to the largest. Okay, so now I'm going to bring where I have already ranked these values, and then I'm coming back. All right, this is how I have ranked these values. We have the first one is 3,250. 3,250. Where is it? This is the first element. X2 3670. 3670 is here. X2. Now X3 is 4480. 4480. 4480. Where is it? 4480 is the third one. Okay. So the fourth, 4510. 4510 is here. X4. And the X5 is 5030. 5030. Where is it? Over here, X5. Now, then number 6, 6170. 6170. Where is it? 6170. It is X number 6. So number 7, 6390. 6390. Where is it? 6390. This is X7. Next, we have 6400. X number 8. And then X9. X9 is 6820. 6820. 6820. Is here. X number 9. Okay, so X sub 10. X sub 10 is 7200. 7200. Where is it? 7. This is it. X sub 10. X sub 10. X sub 11. 7280. 7280. 7280. This is X sub 11. X sub 12. 7450. 7450. 7. Here. Here we have no 7. 7. 7450. X sub 12. X sub 12. X sub 13. It is 7470. 7470. X sub 13. X sub 14. X sub 14. 7540. 7540. Where is it? 7540. 7. It is x sub 14. X sub 15. It is 7770. 7770. It is here. X sub 15. X sub 16. 8090. 8090. Where is it? 89. 8090. It is over here. X sub 16. This is x sub 16. X sub 17. It is 8160. 8160. 8160. This is x sub 18. So x sub wait. No, this is not. This isn't it. This is not x sub 17. This is x sub 17, not 18. We are coming from x sub 16, then x sub 17, x sub 18 now. This is 8450. 8450, where is it? X sub 17. Okay, x sub 19, 8770, 8770, 8770. Gonna be where? Easy, it is here. X sub 19. X sub 20, 880. This is it here. X sub 20. X sub 21, 9911. 0910. X sub 21. X sub 22. 9140. 9140. 9140. Here we don't have it. So here, where is it? Maybe is it missing or what? 9 is x sub 23. It is 22. It is 9140. X sub 24. It is 9. No, x sub 22. 914. Did I mention it? 9. Okay, looking here and here and here. There's no 9. 910 is here. Okay, 910. What I have here is 9140. Okay, this is x sub 22. Okay, x sub 21. Where is it? This is 10. Where is the 21? 21, x sub 21. Okay, it's here. Okay, now x sub 23. Okay, now must be this number, x sub 23. X sub 24. It is 9900. 9900. Okay, let me check this part. 990 here and here. It's over here. X sub 24. Now x sub 25 is 10. 10100. 10100. This is x sub what? X sub 25. X sub 25. Okay. X sub 26. X sub 26 is 10220. 10220 10. Here it's not 10. 10220. 10220 is here. X sub 26. Okay, now looking for X sub 27. 10330. 10330. 10330. Over here. 1 sub 27. Okay, now X sub 28. It is 10510. 10510. 10. This is 10510. X sub 28. Okay, now X sub 29. 10630. 10. 10. Not here. This one. 10630 is here. This is X sub 29. Okay, now next is X sub 30. 10780. 10870. 10870. What is it? 10. I'm still on 10,000. 10780. Okay, checking here and here and over here. X 30. Okay, this is X 30. X sub 30. Next, X sub 31. 11430. 11430. This is X sub 31. 11430. Now, X sub 32. 11450. 11450. Where is it? 11450 is over here. This is X sub 32. X sub 33. 11600. 11600. No 11 here. 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 60. X sub 33. Okay, now this part we are left with V113,490. So we are looking for 11. 11 somewhere. Okay, it's over for 11. So X sub 34, it has been mentioned or not? 33, it's okay. 34, 34 is 11860. 11860. Do we have 11? Still 11 here? 11 not mentioned yet. Not yet mentioned. 11860 has been mentioned. Not yet. Let me check. Not finding it easily here. So X. Let me check. It is 11860. 11860. Okay, 11860. Probably not mentioned. 11. Okay, so here. Okay. Should be X 11860. Okay, so let us not mention it yet. Maybe we are okay. I'm gonna check if our number here we have 10 and 10, 10, 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is some number missing on my list, original list. Probably I missed it. I missed it. I missed this one because I have to work with this x34. It is 11860 because here we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It seems we have 9 here, 9, 9. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's okay. So here we are missing an element here. I can put it anywhere you want. The first one I want to add is 1, 1, which is missing 11860. So we are still missing one here. So we're gonna find it because as I'm listing this, and that is has sub x34, x sub 34. This is 11860. So I want this one to be also 10 because this is what I have said at the beginning. And I was wrong because it was not 50, it was 48. Now we have found a new element here. So there is another missing. Now let me just continue because if I have 50 here, I'm gonna find it. Okay. Now next, because here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, so 9. So okay. Now next, I'm looking for x35. It is 1 x sub 35 is 120, 120, 120. So 1, 2, I don't have here. I have here 1, 2, 0, 10. 1, 2, 0, 1, 0. 1, 2. Let me just check here. Checking. Maybe this is what we are missing. Probably. Let me check again. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. 1, 0. Okay. 1, 2, 0, 1, 0. 1, 2, 0, 1, 0. 1, 2. There's no 1, 2 here. 1, 2 here. 1, 0. It is not. Checking. Checking again. So I don't have 1, 2. This number 1, 2, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Let me add it again. I'm gonna add it here. 1, 2, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Let me add it, and if I do, so it was ranked x 35, x sub 35. Okay. Now let me go on with the next element x x. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it can't be. Probably some mistake again here. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 0. So what is going on here? 1, 2, x. Yeah, that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 5, 0. Where is it? 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 4, 3. We want 1, 2, 3, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 5, 0. Let me check here. Not here. Not here. We have this element 1, 2. Here we have. Okay. There are so many mistakes here. It is here. Okay. No mistake now. So no more mistake. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 0. It is x sub 36. Okay. This is okay. The next one, the x3, x sub 37. X sub 37. And it is 12430. Now I have this one. Don't remember I have crossed it. 1 2. This is 12430. 1 2. We have 12430. X sub 37. Coming from 36 somewhere. From what I have just mentioned, from this to that in value, increasing values. Okay, now next, x sub 38. This I have it 1270. X sub 38. Okay. X sub 38. X sub 39. It is 13260. 13. There is no 13. There is no one. It is here. X sub. X sub 39. 39. So this is 13260. Correct. Now X sub 40. X sub 40 is 13410. 13410. X sub 40. X sub 40. There are 10 more to come. Okay. X sub 41. This is the 13. 490. 13490. X sub 41. X sub 42 is 13520. 13520. X sub 42. Okay. So next is x sub 43. It is 14310. 14310. 14 here, not 14. Left with this. So this list is over. It's checked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for this we are left with these two. For this, I think it is this one. X sub 43. 43. Coming from x sub 42, which was where 40. Okay. So I think I have mentioned it. Next is x sub 44. It is 14760. 14, no 14 here. 14760. It is here. X sub 44. Okay. X sub 45. It is 14800. 14800. 14. 14. This part is over except this one. This one is over except the first. X14. 14. X sub 45. 45. 14. 800. Yes. X sub 46 is 15970. 15970. 15. Now here. 15. 15 here. 15 here. It is X sub 46. X sub 46. Now this part is over except this one. Now x sub 47, it is 16. So 200. X sub 47. Now next is x sub 48, 17. 330, 1730. This is x sub 48. X sub 48. Now this part is over. It is ranked. This is one is ranked. Except this element. And then this one is ranked except this element. Now we have x sub 49. It is this one. X sub 49. X sub 2658. That is when I have just crossed. It is 580. X sub 50. Now we have in total a univariate distribution of size 50, n 50. Now we are going to talk about our new method to calculate the percentile value. Okay, in this video we are going to talk about this percentile value, so that next time we're gonna be talking about this one, the percentile order or rank only with not value. Now how to find this one? This is in general our formula. We are going to give here. Maybe can put where I have a space. So the formula here is so let me put it here. pk excuse me. So pk, percentile value, it is, so we have two possibilities. So we have x sub k times n divided by 100 plus c x sub kn over 100 plus 1, and then we divide all of this, we divide it by 2. Okay, that is in case the division, this quotient is such that the remainder is equal to 0. In this case, if we take k times n, we divide by 100. If the remainder of the division is 0, then in this case, we have to use this formula. So now, if rank is different from 0, I mean not the rank, the remainder, if this is different from 0, now how to find the pk? So the percentile value, so it's gonna be x sub kn over 100 plus 1. So it will be this element, okay, in the list. Okay, so that is our new method for calculating these percentile values. This, I think, let us apply it. You are going to P15 and P66. We are going to see that it is very simple to calculate. So number one, we have here, it is pk with k equal to 15. So k is equal to 15 here. So now we are going to calculate k times n divided by 100. This will be 15 times n is 50. I will divide by 100. I may simplify and get 75 over 10. Now, if I do this, it is 7 plus 5 over 10. So now this is like 50 over 100. Now, which means R here is equal to, this is a quotient of division plus R over 100. So R is equal to, this is the remainder we are talking about. Remainder is 50. Now this is different from 0. We can apply the first formula, and here it is equal to half of x kn. This is kn. Kn is k times n. K times n is 750. 750. This is k times n. K is 15, n is 15. Now I divide by no, we are in the second case. R is different from 0. This is R. So we are going to use this formula, Kn, the second one, this one. So over 100. So plus no, this is into the formula. Sorry, the formula is Kn minus R plus 1. So minus R here, which is equal 0. That's what I have said. So the formula is this, in case R is different from 0. Now we have to remove. So let me just remove this. That is the formula. Now, what we are going to do in general, let us use it in general. Use that formula. So this is xk n over 100 minus R, because here R is different from 0. Now plus 1. So this is equal to x. Now let us substitute. We are looking for 50. K is equal to 15 times n is 50 minus R. R is 50 minus 50 over 100. Now we have to add sub 1 now, and is equal to x times 750 minus 50 divided by 100 plus 1 is going to be x 700 divided by 100, add sub 1, it's going to be equal to x 7 plus 1. This is x sub 8. Okay, so now we are going to check among this list what is x sub 8. X sub 8, x sub 8 here, sub 8, sub 8. Okay, I have it here. Okay, x sub 8 is this one. So which means that pk p15, the percentile value is equal to 60, 40, 400, 60, 400, 6,400. Okay, 60,400. Okay, this is exactly equal to pk p15. Okay, so the question was to rank these values from the lowest to the highest, and next apply the formula in which, after calculating the remainder, and when it is different from 0, then you apply this one. This is what happened. Okay, next let us look at another case. So the second one. Okay, let me just put it here. Let me put put it over here. Okay, question, this was number 1. Now number 2, we want pk with k equal to 66. So this is what do we have to do? Pk 66. So first we calculate k times n, divide by 100. So this is equal to okay, so this is equal to k is 66 times n is 50 divided by 100, and then we are going to see if this is it is exact quotient or not, in case remainder is equal to 0 or different. So simplification, we have 66 times 5 gonna be have 30 and 33. Okay, this is it. What we have what we have now, this we divide by 100. So when we divide by we divide by 10 because we have simplified already. So this is 33. Now we have the remainder is equal to 0. So we fall in the first case with this division. We fall in the first case. So in this case, we are going here. We are going to use the formula according to which pk here is the first one is half of because the remainder is equal to 0. I use the first formula here, xk n over 100 plus now x sub kn over 100 now plus 1. Okay, so what is it? So taking k equal to 66, so we will have half of, we have already calculated this ratio. This ratio has been proved to be equal to 33. Okay, now this is 33. Now I have to add 1. I get x sub 33. This is sub kn over 100. So plus now x 34. Okay, this is the percentile value pk66. Now what is it? So this means pk is equal to 66. Now half of x33. x33 is, we look into these values, it is this one. We add x sub 34. X sub 34, where is it? I don't actually see this. X sub 34, where is it? My eyes, where is it? X 34. I think it must be, it is over here. Okay, so now this is, so we are going to find sum of these two. 11600 plus now 11860. Okay, adding up and divide by 2. Let me add here 1160 plus 11860. Okay, gonna be 064. I keep carry 1 and 3, then 2, and then I have to divide by 2. Get 1 2, and 1 2, get 1 4 7, 7 14, then I carry 6 6, and then 30. 30. So because if I multiply by 2, 730, then I'm gonna have 6, 1, carry 1. No, carrying. So 14. I carry 1 now 2. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 6, 0. 2, 3, 4, 6, which means that our number is this one. Okay, which is 2, 3, 4, 60 divided by 2, which is now is 1, 1, 7, 1, 1, 7, 3, 0. Okay, so which means that our PK60 our PK60 is just 11730. While this one P15 have been calculated to. Did you calculate? Yeah, X8. This is X8. That one, fortunately, it was in the list. X sub 8, which is 6400. Okay, so all in all, we have that the percentile value may be on the list in the first case or not in the list, just somewhere in midway between two consecutive values of the list. Okay, now this is a new method to find the percentile values. And next time in another video, we're gonna find now any given value. Suppose if x8 is given, how can you find its corresponding percentile? It means 15, for example, in this case. Or if a number, a percentile is forced to belong to the list, so what will be its percentile order, or percentile actually, not value in this case, because given a percentile value, find the percentile rank or order. Next time, today it was to give you the rank and to find the corresponding percentile value. So until then, continue watching and share after you have subscribed. Thank you very much. So next time.